What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys, it's all about RGT, Rari governance token, which has gone through an incredible increase in value over the last not even 24 hours, over the last couple of days. But to put it into perspective, in the last 24 hours itself, it has pumped up nearly 400% guys, making it $3.49. So we're going to be looking at why is it pumping so much. Is it a crypto worth investing into right now? Is it too late? Should you sell it if you're on a profit and take out your profits? Or is it simply time to hold on to it before it pumps up even higher over the coming hours, days, weeks, and so on? And if so, how high can it go? And should you invest into it? So we are going to cover both buyers and sellers' point of view, as well as both long-term and short-term investors. So before I go any further guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I am trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel. And for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So we are currently looking at the Coinbase website, and as you can see, in the last 24 hours the market is up just over a percentage, and we of course have RGT as the top gainer in the last 24 hours. So zooming into, let's have a look. So RGT, let's open up the chart, and on CoinMarketCap as well. So as you can see, 774% up in volume wise. Trading volume has gone up to $2 million, and the only reason it's gone up so much, clearly because the value of RGT has gone absolutely crazy. So more and more people are looking to invest, more sellers, and in general just a lot of people trading it, as it is gaining a lot of attention, a lot of hype. So more and more people will be looking into the project as well. And as you guys can see, there's a lot of comments on the side saying it's gonna keep pumping, and some people are saying it's gonna drop. So yeah, comments are coming from both positive and negative sides as well. So let's get straight into it. On the screen right now, we do have the candlestick pattern chart with the MACD indicator, which I'm going to be using to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So we are currently looking at the daily chart, and at the top here we've got a purple line running across the chart, which is the SMA indicator, giving us the average value of RGT, which is here in purple at just below 75 cents. However, we can see it trading at a much higher value here in red at $3.50, meaning it's performing quite well and much better than expected. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily, and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. But before I do that guys, as usual, just a little disclaimer: this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart, what can we see here? The blue and the orange line are both looking bullish, heading towards the positive direction, meaning gains in value are expected over the next 12 to 14 hours. So towards the end of the day today, early hours of tomorrow, we should expect RGT to be trading at a slightly higher value than where it is at the moment. What I am expecting is for it to more or less head towards the $4 mark towards the end of the day today and early hours of tomorrow. That doesn't mean it's going to hit $4, but heading towards that target is where I'm expecting it to be trading at. Again, do expect red candles in between as well. It's going to be quite volatile, up and down, just like how it's been over the last 24 hours. But the overall outcome seems to be more on the positive side rather than the negative side. So yeah, so far it is looking quite good for RGT over the next 12 to 14 hours as well. Now moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days, what can we see here? So in this case I'm talking about over the next 7 to 8 days. So let's say towards the end of this week, early next week, again we've got the blue and the orange line looking very bullish, going in a positive direction. However, they are looking a bit too steep, meaning as usual this is not realistic. As mentioned plenty of times, whenever you see a MACD indicator looking this steep, either going in a bullish or bearish direction, that means it's not realistic, as it's basing it off the last couple of hours or last couple of days where it's pumped up so much. So again, Yes, even though I am expecting an overall increase in value from RGT over the next week or so, I'm not expecting any major pumps or bull runs or anything like that. Where I am expecting RGT to be trading at by the end of this week and early next week is around $4.30 to $4.40. Somewhere in between there is where I'm expecting this crypto to be trading at, depending on how the crypto market performs and, to be specific, how RGT performs as well. Now, let's move on to the daily chart. Next couple of weeks, what can we see here? So in this case, I'm talking about over the next 6 to 8 weeks, late August, early September 2023. Once again, we got the blue and the orange line looking very steep, heading towards the bullish direction, meaning once again it is not realistic. Again, the exact same reason applies here as well. So over the next 6 to 8 weeks, yes, I am expecting an overall increase in value, but nothing too crazy. Potentially hitting about $7 is where I'm expecting RGT to be heading to by late August, early September. Nearly hitting about $10 in Q4 of 2023 is what I'm expecting from RGT. But of course, guys, this depends on how the crypto market performs. For example, if it goes through a major bull run or a price pump, we could hit $10 way before that. However, if it does go for a major crash or anything like that, which hopefully it doesn't, but obviously it is cryptocurrency, you guys know how volatile the market is. If it does somehow manage to go for a crash or anything like that, the $10 mark may be delayed towards the very end of the year or even next year, depending on how the crypto market performs. But hopefully, guys, we should be seeing Bitcoin hitting about $40,000 by the end of this year. So hopefully we should see most of the other cryptocurrencies follow a similar pattern, moving towards the positive direction. But yeah, these are my takes and my predictions on RGT, guys. Let me know in the comment section down below, when are you guys expecting this crypto to be hitting the $10 mark? I know it's quite a while away. Obviously, it's only at sitting at $2.52 right now. So yes, $2.52 according to CoinMarketCap. Let's refresh the page just to get an up-to-date figure. As you guys can see, it's pumping up so much that, you know, literally about an hour, not even an hour ago, it was at about $2.25, and right now it's sitting at $3.47. So yeah, it's going quite crazy right now. But the fact is that it is pumping and more people are trading the crypto. But yeah, that is pretty much it, guys, for today's video. I'm not going to keep you guys here for any longer. I just want to say a massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting, and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me, as I am trying to hit 100k by the end of the year. And at the end of the day, guys, it is free to subscribe, so why don't you go down and smash that subscribe button and like the video. And I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today or tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.